Good morning, friends. I hope you are loving all the snow. So I wanted to post this quick video to explain to you your assignment a little bit better for today. So when you go into Google Classroom, I have created an e-learning topic. So you are going to go into your e-learning assignment for today, which is main idea and important versus unimportant facts. So there are two pieces to this assignment. The first one is going to be the reading passage. So you're going to open up this reading passage and you are going to read this. Now, for your assignment, the paragraphs we are looking at are right here, are the second, third, and fourth paragraphs. Okay, the introduction paragraph is interesting, but where you're going to really find your information for your assignment is going to be in the second, third, and fourth paragraphs. So you're going to read this and you're going to be looking for the main idea. What is the main idea of this article? What are they trying to get you to understand? If you could sum up this article about soybeans in one sentence, what would it be? So when you get that, you're going to then look through paragraphs 2, 3, and 4, and you are going to try and find important facts, key details that are going to support that main idea. Now, each one of these paragraphs has at least one key detail, but it also has a couple of cool facts, but not so key details. So I want you to highlight your key details that support your main idea, but I also want you keeping an eye on those not so important facts, because you are going to need to write out both. When you have that done, what you are going to do is go back to Google Classroom. I apologize, my computer is working a little slow today. And you are going to pull up this worksheet. And this is where the important versus unimportant details come into play. So on this worksheet where it says passage right here, this is where you're going to write that main idea that you came up with. This is the summary of your article. Like what one sentence could summarize all of the information that you read. Then you're going to take those highlighted important details, one from paragraph 2, one from paragraph 3, one from paragraph 4, and you're going to write them in here. And then what I want you to do is find one of those less important details that maybe was pretty cool, but didn't really support the main idea. And you're going to write one from each paragraph in each box. Okay. This is not that challenging of an assignment. Miss Granger told me that you guys talked about important versus unimportant facts when doing your research. So we're just going to practice this a little bit while you guys have your snow day today. Then make sure when you get the assignment completed, you hit the turn in button, which will be visible on your page. Okay, make sure that you get that back to me. If you need to email it to me, that's fine. I don't care. But make sure I get it back because this is a great assignment. Something to note, you guys do have 5 school days to complete your e-learning assignments, but the faster you can get it done, the better, especially considering and I'm probably assuming we are going to be back in school tomorrow, we will be looking over this. So if you have it done, you're going to know what's going on a whole lot more than people who don't have it done. When you get this done, I want you to get on your software for a few minutes. So really, truly, you should be able to get this completed, get some software done, and then get it turned into me by tomorrow. If you have any questions, just send me a message on Google Classroom and I will answer it as soon as I see it, okay? I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow. And hey, who knows? Maybe we'll have another e-learning day on Friday. We're supposed to get some more snow. So fingers crossed. Here we go.